Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our active English version. Here's a really amazing news for our viewer. New research suggests a dangerous tapeworm that has been spreading through the United States and Canada has now reached the Pacific Northwest. Viewers, the parasite Echinococcus multilocularis commonly infects coyotes, foxes, and others canids and can cause serious illness in dogs and humans too. For decades, E. multilocalaris was considered a major public health concern in parts of Europe and Asia but remained extremely uncommon in North America. So, now that changed about 15 years ago when infections in people and dogs began appearing in Canada and the Midwest, signaling that the parasite was expanding its range. A new study led by researchers at the University of Washington marks the first confirmed detection of E. multilocalaris in a wild animal host along the contiguous US West Coast. So, for the same scientists tested 100 quotas in the Paget Sound area and found the parasite in 37 of them. The findings were in plus neglected tropical diseases. Viewers, this parasite is connecting and also concerning because it has been spreading across North America. There have been numerous cases of dogs getting sick, and a handful of people have also picked up the tapeworm, said lead author Yasmine Hantati, who recently graduated from the UW with a doctorate in environmental and forest science. The fact that we found it here in one third of our quotas was surprising because it was not found anywhere in the Pacific Northwest until earlier this year. When E. multilocalaris infects animals or humans, it can produce cancer-like cysts in the liver and sometimes other organs. Without treatment, the infection may become fatal. Not every infected animal becomes ill, so the parasite has a complicated life cycle involving multiple species. Coyotes and other canids carry adult worms in their intestines, often without symptoms. Those worms release eggs through feces. Rodents become infected after consuming food contaminated with coeta feces, and the parasite eggs then travel to the liver, where they form cysts that can weaken or kill the animal. Coyotes become infected again when they ate infected rodents. Beyond the exclusive report.